Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'm going to show you a short video on this cracking Triumph Street Triple R. Here we have a Triumph Street Triple R. This is a 2013 bike on a 13 plate with just 18,630 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike looks absolutely fantastic in the crystal white and red colour scheme and is in standard trim. You have got the addition of the Triumph fly screen, but the exhaust is standard, back end standard, and you've got the addition there of a tank pad. Looks really good, nice condition this bike. There's nothing really to apologise for on the bodywork except for just a small repair there in the mudguard. Obviously the traditional disc lock damage there. I'm sure most of us have done that at some point, just pushed your bike off, ridden your bike off and then realised you've got the disc lock on. As you can see there, no marks on the exhaust. The engine is as clean as a whistle. You'll get to hear that in a moment. Rear tyre there. There's plenty of life left in that. All the bodywork in good order here, as you can see. The metallic crystal white paint really is nice, really does sparkle in the sunshine. All the engine there, really clean. Again, nothing to apologise for there. And the rear shock, no corrosion, no damage anywhere save for that mudguard. Really well looked after bike, clearly been very well maintained by its two previous keepers. Front tyre, plenty of life left in that one as well. The left side of the mudguard is undamaged, as are the bar ends and mirrors, and the fly screen. All in all, a really nice example of a Triumph Street Triple. It's the non-ABS version, so it's the very first version of the side-mounted exhaust model, and I think the best-looking Street Triple. I think they look absolutely fantastic. As I say, if you've not ridden one, you really need to. They are great fun. A smile a mile, absolutely guaranteed. These Triumph Triples are all about how they sound. So let's hear what this one sounds like. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also pleased to offer nationwide delivery. If you're interested in this Street Triple R, then please do get in touch with us via the website or on the telephone. We'll be delighted to take your inquiry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.